How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a public profile on Snapchat. So let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat. After you do so, just click a snap and tap on Add to. After you tap on it, tap on My Story Public. Now what this will do is you will initially always have a public profile. What you'll need to do is just start posting on it and it will become active. So tap on My Story in Public and just share it. Now what you can do to manage that very account is that go to your Bitmoji on the top left and go to your settings. If you scroll down a bit, you will see public profile settings. Tap on it and from here you can manage your public profile. And that is basically it. That is how you make a public profile on Snapchat. Thanks for watching guys. That is all. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.